Looking to boost your PC's storage without compromising speed or reliability? The Tough Armor MB924 IPB offers a powerful solution by supporting up to 24x2. 5 SAS or SATA SSDs and HDDs, all packed into just 3 standard 5.25 external bays. It's designed for high-performance setups that demand both capacity and quick data access. This drive bay connects 24 drives through only 6 mini SAS HD, SFF8643 connectors and powers them with 6 15-pin SATA power cables. That means fewer cables cluttering your build, while still delivering transfer speeds up to 12 gigabits per second for SAS drives and 6 gigabits per second for SATA drives. Whether you're building a gaming rig, workstation, or home server, this setup handles high IOPS and low latency effortlessly. One standout feature is the large 80mm cooling fan with adjustable speed modes, high, low, or off, giving you control over noise and temperature. Each drive sits in a removable Easy Slide nano tray, making maintenance and upgrades quick and hassle-free. This all-metal design ensures durability, so your investment holds up through years of heavy use. I've seen users praise this product for its straightforward installation and reliability. One reviewer shared how they added 4 drives to their PC using a single 5.25 bay, increasing storage by 12 terabytes in under 30 minutes. They highlighted the ease of fitting drives into the trays and appreciated the solid metal build that supports drives up to 15 mm thick, perfect for larger capacity SSDs and HDDs. If you're worried about compatibility or complexity, the MB924 IPB's design keeps things simple. Just slide it into your case's external bays, connect the cables, and you're ready to go. It's also backed by a 5-year limited warranty and responsive customer support, so you get peace of mind alongside performance. Worth a look if you need to expand storage without sacrificing speed or build quality. The Tough Armor MB924 IPB combines high density, fast data transfer, and robust cooling in one package. If that's you, this drive bay is a smart investment for future-proofing your storage needs. Ready to upgrade your storage setup? Try the Tough Armor MB924 IPB when you're ready to add serious capacity with dependable performance. It's a practical, long-lasting solution that meets the demands of today's data-heavy environments.